A do-it-yourself throw comes together by literally throwing or sewing together things that you already have. Now you can use leftover bits of fabric, you can use curtains, bedding, any type of material. Combine them in interesting ways to create the desired size of your throw and machine stitch them together. Create a backing using a solid or another mixture of materials, and you have just done an excellent job of working with what you have to create an original throw that looks great, thrown over beds, sofas, or chairs, and you. Cuddle up and enjoy.
I'm alright when you're right beside me. Nothing left to decide. This life becomes me. I'm alright. I'm alright, and this life